Get your ass back in the friend zone. Now.
But I'm in love with you.
Now, take it all back.
I can't do that.
Take it all back, Brian.
I can't do it.
You don't listen.
So what now?
Ain't nothing changed. This didn't happen.
Yes, it did.
You are still my best friend.
But I could be so much more, Salamander.
Friend zone.
I could be your sun, Salamander.
Friend zone.
I wanna be your moon, Salamander. Your air, Salamander. The ground you walk on, Salamander.
Shut up! I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear
Your
it.
man, Salamander.
Get your ass back in it. Get your ass back in the friend zone. Salamander. Don't touch me.
I've always loved you, Salamander.
Take it back.
You to walk, Melissa, I'm going crazy. Who let the duck in? Gary, move to the front.
No.
Gary.
Jamal.
Ooh, little bastard.
What was that?
Nothing. Just playing with my stepson. Little bastard.
Gus the third.
Ain't no humans outside. 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 Ain't no humans outside.
What you say about my mama?
She was in the streets. Oh, you got two daddies.
What's going on in there?
Nothing.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, yo, your ass on fire, man.
So you see it too?
Hell yeah, man. Your ass looking extra crispy, man. Kind of smell good, too. Let me find out. You taste good.
Damn. What happened?
I'm out here burning like your mama.
That's not funny, man. It's not.
Come on, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Oh, hell no. I want that ball. Hey, come on, man. Why you acting like that?
Direct Sean, this ain't 6 feet, baby.
I ain't scared of that, Rona.
But if you love me, you would leave.
Gloria! Almost got eaten by a goldfish. Stop playing.
With real love comes real sacrifice.
Gloria!
What?
If you really love me, let me on.
Okay. Love you, baby.
Hit me with your best shot, pussy. You want my best shot? Here it is. What the hell was that? I can't do it. Look, watch it. Stop. Hamster time. You trying to get my daughter how you smoke that shit?
Nigga, what that is at the
That's
door?
Reggie.
Who the fuck is Reggie?
He came to take Megan now.
What you want, nigga?
I'm here to take his daughter out.
What's your name?
Reggie.
Well, I heard motherfuckers say your name Reggie. You wanna take Megan now?
Yes, sir.
How old is you?
15.
Shit, nigga, you at least 30.
This is
Can you fight?
Yeah.
You can fight?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, motherfucker, you can't fight.
Come on, let's go. I can't do this.
Get your fat ass up.
I give up.
You want me to punch you in your face?
No.
You want to taste these knuckles?
No.
Then get that ass up. Let's go.
Move it. That's what I'm talking about.
Warm up completed.
God damn it, hold up. Gotta get my pootie skill. Alright, here we go. Damn it.
DC, what the hell your ass doing, man? It's 3 a.m. in the morning.
Hold up.
Shoot, I gotta see this.
You trying to see this shit too?
Hell yeah,
I know.
man.
Here we go.
Trying to be Fiasco? DC Fiasco, you stupid as hell. You gotta put your hip into it, man. Use the force, nigga. Woo! Damn, he dead now. I was about to jump in too. Alright, man, he dead, man. What you doing, man? Woo! Ooh, man, you gotta relax. Man, you angry or something? What the hell wrong with you? Huh? Man, he dead. Whoa! Oh, hell no. Yeah, I gotta move out. Oh my gosh.
Don't you move.
Come on, you serious? Come on.
My shit.
It was an
No.
accident. Nobody told you to step in something so magically delicious. Come on. Come on, this is unnatural, man. You know my low legs
Don't you
weak.
move.
Ooh, I can't feel my knees. What about my kneecaps?
You are in big trouble, mister.
My kneecaps. Ooh, this feel good. This feel amazing. I'm in heaven. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Don't be afraid to. Hey, come on, man. What y'all doing, man? Get back to work. Y'all can't clock out now. Y'all about 20% finished, B. Come on. Let's go. When you start something, you finish it. And y'all just getting started. Listen, I count 4 arms. I don't know why y'all using 2. Come on. 4 is better than 2. Always. Come on, man. Hey, come on, man. Let's go. The booty ain't gonna scratch itself. Come on. Hey, come on. Don't use just one finger. That finger don't even got it now. I need all nails. I need all nails involved, man. Come on. Hey, man, yo, if y'all stop again, come on. Asses need to be scratched. Treat my ass like it's yours and scratch it. Scratch my ass. Didn't I just make myself clear? Scratch my booty, man. Scratch the meat, man.
Likey. Likey.
Mr. Scales, is something that we have to tell you. What you mean we? You did it. Shut the hell up. Y'all had one job. Bring my wife. Where is she at? Tell him what you did. I ate her by accident, but there's plenty of fish in the sea. Motherfucker, I live in the sink. I'm about to kill her.
Likey.
Damn, this neighborhood been gentrified. I used to live here. Where are the ducks? Oh, get them, fool! Oh, I know where they went. We out. Let's go.
Likey.
Size don't matter. I knock your ass out. Oh, is that you lucky you locked up? Because if I wasn't, what's wrong, Courtney? Where's that energy at, Courtney? You was gonna knock me out, Courtney. What happened, man? Size don't matter, right?
You the big dog.
Oh, I'm the big dog now.
Likey.
Whoa!
Baby shark do 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 baby. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do.
Likey.
I hate you. Oh, what happened? I hate you. Oh, what happened, man? How you do that? You got to be more careful. Did it burn?
Likey.
Clarence, this your car? Hell yeah, brand new, baby. Shut up! It's my car now. Get your ass out my car before I eat you.
Likey.
Raimundo. What's wrong, Salamander? I think I killed my husband, Papi John. Salamander, what did you do? I threw a knife at him, Raimundo, and he didn't duck. Why, Salamander? Why, Salamander? He forbade me from seeing Raimundo, and I lost it. Salamander, your love is so... How could your husband stand in the middle of true love? Oh, Raimundo.
Likey.
Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Oh, hell no!
Likey.
He's Aquamoose. What's my name? He's Aquamoose. He's Aquamoose. That's right. He runs on water and he's a moose. Aquamoose. Yeah. Do that again.
Likey.
Oh my gosh, Lenore, you want a hug? Here's a hug. I'm a real Asher Rap, give a fuck about a lying ass nigga. I still love you, bro. We're through. I'm dating your brother now. I still love you. Come back.
Likey.
Walnut, is that you, bro? In the flesh. I mean, you know what I mean. I want to eat you, man. Why you bony? I went on a chocolate diet, but I lost more than weight.
You dead, ain't you?
Yeah, but the diet worked.
Likey.
They ain't got nothing in this dumpster, nothing. Shoot, it's a vegan dumpster. Where the food at? Where the food at? Ooh, lasagna. Ooh, it's about 3 weeks old, but ain't nothing like aged lasagna. Aged lasagna is the best, and the dumpster give it flavors. Hey, oh, I've been busted. I'm out.
Likey.
Oh, hell no. That ain't 6 feet, miss. You better move back before you get clapped. Mama, she not listening. Miss, did you hear me? I said move.
Likey.
Excuse me. Cute. Excuse me, sir. Hi.
Damn.
How you knew my nickname?
I don't know. It's the first thing that came to mind. Ew. What's your real name?
Heaven.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell yes. You like heaven on earth. I could see why you would be called heaven.
Keep talking.
Look at you, so beautiful. So beautiful. When I think about heaven, your face just comes to mind.
Let me get in the good light.
Damn,
so you
your
can see
face.
me for real.
Woo, your face pretty. Your face pretty.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Talk that talk, Sunky.
Gorgeous. Look at them eyes. Look at them eyes. Back them eyes,
like
please.
Who want me to do like that?
Damn, you know what? You are out of my league. It's gonna go. You too much for me. Damn. Your breath
you
smell
looking
like
sexy right now.
Damn.
You looking
but it was
sexy
nice.
right
It was nice
now.
meeting you. It was nice. It was real nice.
You ain't going nowhere.
Oh, damn.
You haven't even experienced
Damn,
heaven
why you gotta
yet.
do me like that?
You need to experience to come with
Take it
me.
easy on me now. Take it easy.
Come with me.
likey,
Punch you in your face, motherfucker, I knock your beak off. Who won it? Who won it? But go!
likey,
Oh, my.
likey,
Why your arm around?
Delirious! I need the truth right now!
Clyde, what happened?
You said the humans haven't been giving us food for the past 2 weeks. Was that true?
Yes.
Stop lying to me, Delirious!
You know he lied.
With your fat ass!
likey,
He took my money, Clarence.
Yes! It was I, long neck! What you gonna do? Give it back or you gonna find out! Find out what? Let's go, Otis! Let's go!
But you didn't get my stuff back,
I
Clarence.
don't give a damn about your stuff!
Listen to your
Let's
brother,
go.
snitch.
How you get robbed and you got wings?
What?
Make no damn sense! Fly
likey,
Come on now, Gary. It's not even gonna hurt this time.
It's not. Bam, 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 bam! Bam, bam!
likey,
You can tell me anything, sweetie. I'm not gonna overreact.
I'm pregnant. I'ma kill him. No, I'ma kill him.
That's
What's
my
his
baby
name?
father. No.
What's his name? The Veil. No, baby. That's the devil.
likey,
New year, new body. New year, new body. I'm only eating rats and Roman lettuce. Ooh, yeah. Get it in. Ooh, I feel that burn. Ooh, I'm look sexy. Ooh.
likey,
I'm in the mood for some pink with it, man.
Come here. Don't run. Don't run, because I'm gonna catch you. When I catch you, it's over. Hey, man, come on, man. Oh, you gonna make it hard for me.
You gonna run to the humans, make it hard for me.
Ooh, no, I can wait all day.
Matter of fact, if y'all don't throw that penguin nugget overboard, I'm eating everybody. If I don't
Yo,
get my
he lying.
penguin
You know
meat,
he lying. Come on.
Everybody going
How
down.
he gonna do that?
Everybody.
How he gonna do that?
Hell no.
likey,
Ooh, you gonna have to let me have this
Of
beat.
course, you know you my
Definitely
dog.
gotta put this on the album.
Hell yeah.
Big pit with a locked jaw, a little cute, but I'm not sure. So don't try me. Have you running down the block in your undies? Your girl like me, she rubbing on my tummy.
likey,
Doing with the phone right now. Ooh, do it again. Bust the move. Bust the move. I wish you bust the move right now. Bust the move right now. Do it again. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Whoa! Come on, get some.
Buster, no matter what you do, why you getting up? Yeah. Yeah, how that taste, man? Taste that doggy biscuit. How that doggy biscuit taste, big.
I thought you wasn't gonna get up, Howard. I just got my license, y'all. Oh my God. Back away. I ain't never flying again. Never.
Keep your mouth shut, Rachel. Hope you bleeding. Shoot, always talking too damn much, boys. Always popping them guns. Talk about stop. How about you stop talking? Shut up, Rachel. Shoot. See, now you starting with me. Now you want some of this. You want some of this, Rachel. LaMilton, I'm hungry.
Damn it.
Well, baby, you gotta be patient. Catching fish is hard work. Forget the hard work. Where the tuna at? Baby. Baby, where's the tuna? I traded it for the digital fish. Digital what?
Damn.
LaMilton, what?
How the hell we gonna eat digital fish? What the hell is digital fish?
Calm down.
You dumbass.
Kabusa. Mama kabusa. Nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it, then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clearer to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again.
Thanks for inviting us. Let me introduce you to the kids. We got Ray Ray, Day Day, Willis, Jamal, Lunel, Chantel, Rachel, Cornell. What? Kiki and Quick. What? Chris, Junior, Steve, Pam, Otis, and Blue. And we don't split bills. Hey, yo, Lionel, smell my breath. What? Somebody said my breath smell like hella acetosis. That shit just stuck with me all day, man. Just, come here, smell my breath, man. Let me know if it's true.
Do it, make it quick, make it quick. Oh, hell no. Damn, your breath smell like mad.
man.
Ooh, they got
So
it right.
true.
Your breath smell like hella ass. All I smelled was ass. Get your ass away from me.
man.
Get it. Ooh.